Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows 11 edition and build in settings so you know compatibility. Make sure you're signed into a Microsoft account. You can create one now if you don't have it. Once signed in, open Windows Update and install any pending updates. This prevents component mismatches. Now, launch PowerShell as administrator to prepare for reinstalling the store. These steps reduce errors later and set a stable base for the install process. Next, you'll execute the detailed reinstall. Open PowerShell admin and run the command to re-register the Microsoft Store package for your current user, because that restores missing app registrations. If Store is absent, go to Settings Apps Optional Features and add Microsoft Store from the list. This reinstalls core bits. Once done, run WS Reset. EXE to clear cache. Make sure to restart Windows after these steps, so system components initialize properly before final validation. Finally, sign back into your Microsoft account and launch the Microsoft Store to verify purchases and app access. This confirms successful installation. If you encounter errors, run Settings System Troubleshoot other troubleshooters and use the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to automatically fix common issues. If problems persist, create a new local user, sign in, and test the store there to isolate profile corruption. This targeted troubleshooting often resolves stubborn cases without a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.